My dad gets hiccups all the time, and he says the best way to get rid of hiccups is to have a scoop of peanut butter and just chug it after it with milk. So I'm gonna go try that. Hopefully it works. I don't know. If you know any other way that I can get rid of my hiccups, because I get them all the time, then let me know, because I need to get rid of my hiccups. And you'd be like, it's like, what if you have a really important thing to do? You're in a school, you have to give a presentation to your class, or you're in a business and you have to give a presentation to people, and then you get the hiccups. It's a serious thing. At least I don't get bloody noses. Do you get bloody noses? I get the worst hiccups ever. Yikes. I hate the hiccups. I want them to go. I want them to go away. It's so painful. I hate them. It's the worst thing ever. Go away. It's the worst thing. Why don't hiccups go away? Ever. I hate them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go get some help. I need some help. This is horrible. I hate my hiccups. It's like, okay, I would rather be hungry. No. I'd rather be hungry than be cold. And I'd rather be cold than have the hiccups. So this is absolutely the worst thing I could possibly have.